Hello, it's Joseph D here. Here we're milling the female part of the other piece that we were doing the other day. We were milling the dovetail. That was the male dovetail. Well, this one is the female dovetail. I wasn't actually going to make a video of this, but I thought, well, I was nearly finished now, and I thought I'll just show it to you going so you can see how it was done. So here we go. Okay, it's gone through one way. This is a close-up look at the dovetail cutter on eBay, the cheap one. It's doing the job though, cheap China job. I was going to go for a carbide dovetail cutter, but they shatter, so I thought I'll stick with the HSS high-speed steel. It's been sharpened once already, but it's doing the job. So the next thing now is to get that magic surface, which is really nice and smooth, like they have on this one here, is to reverse mill it. So what we do, we start the machine up again and wind it back through the thing without touching anything, staying exactly the same height as it's been set. So it's already passed through once, so nothing is changing there. So all I do is I just gonna reverse mill it now. Can feed a bit faster now because it's not under load. Once we're clearing the machine changes sound, we switch it off and we're done. Get a brush and brush it down. Okay, I'll take that out of the vise now and we'll see. There we go. Nice. And that part is finished. All I have to do is put it on the belt sander, dress it up and debar it, and Bob's your uncle, it's done. This was my milling vise, by the way. It was one of those cheap Chinese cross vices off eBay. I used the other parts for something else, and I kept the vise behind, and I've sort of drilled, counterbored it and put Allen screws through, going into T-nuts, which are securing this onto my vertical slide. I always get those two mixed up. But this works a treat, you know, generous space. It's about nearly 4 inches, but I've got a bigger vise on another setup I'll show you in another video, but this is just the one for doing small work. So I'm going to leave it here, guys, because my battery is about to die, but you get the idea. This is the female one. It'll be supplemented with the original video, so you'll see it in that too. Okay, best wishes, Joseph D. Bye.